Hey guys, welcome to Finally Tech. And in the last Excel video, we got a comment from one of my subscriber that make video left and right function with some complex formula. Right. So today we have come up with such a kind of combination of left and right function. Right. We will use mostly the left function, and then we will club with that with the if formula, right? So this is the Excel sheet you are seeing on my screen, and now what we are going to do, we are this is actually a IPL score, right? So every match's score, this is the real score in fact for the IPL 2024. And see, the first match was between RCB and CSK, and RCB scored 173 for 6, and then CSK 176 for 4, and then the winner is CSK. So here writing the winner is CSK by looking into the both the scores, we are trying to make this winner by the formula, right? So we will make some formula, and on the basis of we will put only the score, and then the finally the winner will come by the formula, right? So we are going to use left function, right? And then if function, and then find function, right? Then value function, right? So these function we will be using, right? So uh, let me just give you some short glance of this, how we will be using. We will first we will break the formula, and then we will club the formula, right? So the logic, what logic is going to do, we are going to follow the logic that if we take the score, or the first three digit of the score 173, and then the first three digit of the score of the second team 176, and we compare both, then we can decide which is greater, and the greater will be the winner, and the team associated with that greater score will be the winner. Are you getting my point? What I said we will compare these both the score, right? We will compare how? We will compare the first three digit of this score, right? So the 6 and 4 is the wicket number, the main score is 173 and 176, right? So we will compare 173 and 176, and then if 176 is greater, then CSK will be winner, and if 173 is winner, then RCB will be the winner. This kind of approach we are going to follow, right? So let's start. So first what we are going to do, we are typing find. Okay, we are typing find function, then find text. What we are going to find, we are going to find slash, and then we will take within this, and starting with num1, and if we put this only thing, then see what will be the output. Okay, this is 4, right? So 4 is the output, right? So 4 is the output. So this is the number on which the slash existing in that text, right? In this cell, slash is existing on 4 numbers, so we can use the left function, and we will cut from the 4 numbers. So we will, if we cut, like if we use left function, then what we will do, text, this text, okay, and number character, and this number character will we use the find function. So find function, find text, we are going to find this slash within the text, this one, and start num1, right? Close the parenthesis. So if we use 4, the slash is also coming, right? So for removing the slash, what we will do, we will do -1 from here, and then 173 will be here, right? And for CSK score, if we use the same formula, like left, okay, text will be this e2, and the number character we will use find function, and then find text slash, and then within the text this one e2, and then start character 1, and then -1, right? Parenthesis close, and this is 76, right? So if we compare both, like if this one is greater than this one, right, then the winner is B2, and if it is false then winner is D2, right? We will close it, then CSK is the winner. So you can see how this is coming. 176 is the greater score, so CSK is coming as a winner. And suppose we are making this deliberately, we are making this less than 173, that is 172, okay, then RCB is the winner, right? So this is how we can get it. Okay, so we will club these all three formula and we will make one formula. Let's see CSK is coming or not. So equal if, what if left text this one, for number character we will use find function, and then we will see for slash, then within this text number character 1 minus 1, then parenthesis close. If this one is greater than, again left function, now text will be e2, number character, for number character again we will use the find function, we will find slash, and then within this character and start num1 minus 1, okay, and then 1. We will, let me increase the size, okay, okay, now press enter. Little issue, okay, one parenthesis more, no, okay. So what we have done, C2 find this one minus 1 greater than left and greater than this one, okay. Value if true, we did not give the value if true. If value is true then RCB, if value is false then CSK, right? And then enter, then RCB is the winner. See, RCB is the winner if 73 is greater. If we put again 76 here, then see who is the winner, CSK is the winner, okay. So this is fine, right? But this formula fails at one place. Suppose RCB scored 173 and CSK scored only 76. Suppose this happens, this might happen, right? So CSK can score also 73, 76, right? So in that case the formula is same, but the result does not change. However, it should change. RCB should be winner now, right? If we see again, I am putting 1. If we put 176, then CSK is the winner, right? If we put only 76, then CSK is again winner. But this is wrong. Where we are failing? The formula is correct, but we are failing, right? Okay, so let me show you one thing. This is very very important thing I am going to tell you. This is a very conceptual thing, right? So let's see one thing. Okay, let's see one thing. Left function, we are using left function. Text is this, right? Number character we are going to take 3 from this, okay, 173, right? And for this equal left function, text is this, number character 3, this will be number character 3. Suppose we are taking number character 2, okay, in which we will take number character 2, right? Now if we again put if function, and if we compare these only greater than this one, if it is greater than this one, if it is value true then RCB, if value false then CSK, okay. Value is false, right? 173 is not greater than 76, so value is false. Sorry, 173 is greater than 76, so value is true. So in that case RCB should be the winner, but the here value is getting false and it is selecting CSK, which is wrong. So what I am going to show you, let's see the type, okay. So if we see the type of this value, then what is this? This is 2, and 2 is always 2 shows text, type text, it is not value. So we should compare the value, right? But Here we are seeing it as a value, 173 is a value, but the type Excel is providing the type is as a text. So in reality we are comparing a text which is incorrect here, right? So first we need to change it in the value, right? So for changing it to value, we will use value function, right? So we will use first value function, then parenthesis, and then this one. Now if we see the type of this value, then it will show 1. So 1 means it is value, right? So 1 means it is integer, right? So in the same formula, what we are going to change, we are going to change on every left function we are using value, right? So we are using value, and then we are closing the parenthesis, right? And we are closing parenthesis again. Here we are closing the parenthesis, and we are using here value function, right? So now you will get the correct one, RCB, right? So in case of, see, there are two things. First thing, in case of it is 176, right? 176, if all the score are 3 digits, then we do not need to use find function. We are using find function because it may fail for 2 digit score, right? If it is 2 digit, then the 3 digit formula will not work. So if we are using like this, is equal left this e2 and 3, we are hard coding a 3, right? So hard coding 3 won't work if it is at 2 digit. If 76 here, currently this function returning a result correct, but if we use this one like this 76, then it is not returning the result in correct format, right? 76 slash is also coming up, so which is incorrect. So that is why we have used in this find function. So find function will select the find function, first search the slash in that text box, and then after that it will remove, right? After that it will cut the number. So that's why in 3 digit we are getting 3 digit, and in case of 2 digit we are getting 2 digit, right? And the very important thing is that left function always return the type as text, right? So that's why earlier we were not able to get the correct result if the score is 76, right? So that is why we have applied a value function. It is a value function, and then we are able to get the correct result. So every time the left function throws a type of text, not value, right? So to change the left function, in value, we will use value function, right? So number character 3 we are using, but this, if we select type of this, it will show text. It is showing 2, which is means text. But if we applied value here, right? If we apply value here, then it will be showing the 1. 1 means it is value. Now we can compare with the integer value. Now we can compare with the numerical value, you can say, right? But earlier we cannot compare it correctly, right? So this was a very important thing we wanted to show you. Now if we use this formula and control C, and here we control D, then all the score will be coming up, right? Now it is, why it is coming value, because slash is not available here. If we put slash here like 153 for 10, then the result will be available. Again if we 166 for 10, then result will be available. So this is how we can use. So here we used if function, value function, left function, find function, right? If function, value function, left function, and find function. So this is how we have used this formula. So if you find this useful, then please like and subscribe the channel if you have still not subscribed the channel. So support, as I will be coming with this kind of good concept, and in Excel, later on in SQL, and later on in other part of the technology. And if you have any comment, any suggestion, then please do comment. Comment box is open for you all. So thank you so much. Please do comment. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.